The White House doing damage control Tuesday.
I know FEMA is taking this seriously, contrary to some of the reporting we have seen.
Multiple sources say the new acting head of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, reportedly said he didn't know the U.S. had a hurricane season in a Monday briefing with staffers. Some interpreted the remark as a joke, but it comes amid concerns that neither FEMA nor the National Weather Service are nearly as prepared for hurricane season as they should be.
It's kind of like fielding a football team with only 9 players. You can be as good as possible, but you're not going to be able to keep up with the threats.
The National Weather Service is seeking to backfill 125 positions for specialists and meteorologists after more than 500 employees were laid off or took early retirement. About 10% of FEMA's total workforce has left since January. Critics say that could affect federal response to the predicted rougher-than-normal hurricane season. Despite that, President Trump vowed to eliminate FEMA, and his administration is in the process of shifting more responsibility for disaster response and recovery on individual states.
This president has made it clear we're not going to enable states to make bad decisions with federal tax dollars and then have the federal government later have to bail these states out.
The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration is predicting a 60% chance of the U.S. having an above-normal hurricane season.
Buenas noticias para el Perú y los viajeros. Los peruanos ya no necesitarán visa para viajar a Japón. Ello siempre y cuando la visita no exceda los 90 días consecutivos. Esta medida empezará a regir a partir del 1 de julio. Así lo informó, mediante un comunicado, la Embajada de Japón en Lima. Este anuncio también fue confirmado por el embajador Pedro Bravo, director general de Comunidades Peruanas en el Exterior y Asuntos Consulares, durante una sesión de la Comisión de Relaciones Exteriores del Congreso. Exención del visado podrán acceder todos los peruanos con pasaporte ordinario válido. Este documento debe cumplir con todas las normas establecidas por la Organización de Aviación Civil Internacional. El embajador Pedro Bravo mencionó que esta medida será de 3 años con posibilidad de extenderse más tiempo. Informó que un promedio de 5.000 peruanos visitan cada año Japón por diferentes motivos, siendo el principal de ellos el turismo. Mencionó que con la eliminación del visado, esta cifra incluso podría duplicarse. En el 2024, durante el foro APEC en Lima y la visita del primer ministro Shigeru Ishiba, esta medida fue anunciada. Tras otras reuniones adicionales, finalmente se pudo definir su entrada en vigencia. Perú tiene la tercera comunidad Nikkei en el mundo, por lo que con este anuncio se fortalece aún más las relaciones diplomáticas con Japón, la cual data desde hace más de 150 años.
Travis Decker, a military veteran with extensive training, last seen in the Wenatchee National Forest. Prosecutors have charged Decker with the kidnapping and murder of his 3 young daughters, Peyton, Evelyn, and Olivia.
That is definitely an individual that needs to be caught and dealt with according to the law.
The communities of Leavenworth and Wenatchee asked to stay on high alert as the FBI, Border Patrol, Homeland Security, and Sheriff's Office investigators combed the area near the Rock Island campground. A deputy on patrol found his truck and then the children's bodies about 100 feet away. Police found key pieces of evidence near the truck, zip ties and plastic bags. The girls were reported missing out of Wenatchee after their father failed to return them on time from a scheduled visitation. Their mother told police this was the first time Decker had been late with the kids. Court documents obtained by King 5 from the Chelan County Superior Court show the Deckers had fought over the custody of their 3 children. The girl's mother said Decker was homeless and had been diagnosed with borderline personality disorder. But records show no one was concerned about violence and that the kids had always looked forward to spending time with their dad. Tonight, 3 sisters are dead, their father charged in their killings.